So here's the cul-de-sac, the house next door to your lot that you've got. There's your lot right back there. And then as you go through the cul-de-sac, you'll see this is one of the entrances to the nature trail right back there. So you have access to the nature trail from your cul-de-sac. Over across the street, there's the wetlands, which is going to keep people from being able to build back there. So across the street, you can see all of this is going up the street. They're not going to be able to build, at least not without some kind of big waiver of requirements. So anyway, that's it. I'll send this to you as soon as I get a chance. Bye now.